Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We need more members in this channel. Please subscribe. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for doing that. So today's video is another wig review, and this time around is about this hair. Yeah, this hair is so bouncy. So I'm doing a review on this hair, and this hair is from Outre. My last video was Outre wig as well, so I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can check that video out. It is a very nice wig. This one is another Outre wig, and it's called, it's a long one, it's Outre quick weave complete cap in the style Curlette medium, and I got the color 1B this time around. So this hair is this wig, I've been wearing this wig for 3 weeks now, and you can't even tell this wig is 3 weeks old. I'm going to insert the video of this hair when I was unboxing it for the first time. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hair. A lot of people want me to buy this hair for them. Most of my friends, they want to order this hair. So you can see that this hair is a must-have as well. Yeah, so if I find a good buy, I always share with you guys. And yeah, I bought this hair for $16.99 from Sam's Beauty. I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can check it out if you want to purchase this hair. It's a very nice hair. When I first opened it, the coils wasn't like this. I'm going to insert the video so you can watch it. I had to separate the coils into 2, into 3, just randomly separate the coils. That's how I was able to achieve this coils. And I don't think this hair is going to get old, because as it's getting old, it is getting more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends and family so they can purchase this hair if they are interested. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.